Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a treat for all you DIY enthusiasts and professionals out there. We're showcasing 10 amazing tools that are on another level. These tools are game changers for any project. Let's dive right in. Number 1. The Goldblat Trim Puller is an exceptional removal multi-tool designed for commercial work, ideal for baseboard, molding, siding, and flooring removal. Its larger, flatter, and wider contact area, combined with an integrated wedge center, boosts removal efficiency and prevents damage to trim and walls. Made from durable carbon steel and 65 steel, it features a black electrophoretic and polished finish, offering superior corrosion resistance and durability. This versatile tool is perfect for a range of tasks, including removing cabinets, countertops, flooring, and ceramic tiles. Its edge can even pry up staples. Designed with an ergonomic, textured dipped handle, the trim puller provides a comfortable grip and absorbs impact, reducing hand fatigue. Whether you're tackling a kitchen remodel or a precise repair job, the Goldblat trim puller ensures efficiency and precision, making it an indispensable tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Number 2. The 100-foot sewer jetter kit for pressure washer is a powerful and versatile tool designed to clear clogs with ease. This kit includes a durable, thickened outer layer hose for enhanced flexibility and longevity, capable of withstanding working pressures up to 5,800 psi and temperatures from 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It fits most pressure washers, making it ideal for various cleaning tasks. The kit features 4 all-round sewer jetter nozzles, a pointed nozzle with 1 front and 6 rear sprays for powerful corner cleaning, and a mushroom nozzle with 1 front and 3 rear sprays to remove blockages and wash away debris. Quick connect plugs and metric M22 to a 1/4-inch female NPT fittings ensure a solid connection and easy swapping of outlets, hoses, guns, and nozzles. Easy to carry, the kit includes handle storage straps, a pearl brooch for clearing clogged nozzles, and tape to prevent leaks. It's perfect for cleaning cars, motorcycles, floors, windows, driveways, roofs, siding, gutters, bathrooms, and more, both indoors and outdoors. Number 3. The filtered shower head with handheld offers a high-pressure, multi-mode shower experience with advanced filtration for hard water. Its micro-technology features 150 tiny nozzles that boost pressure, providing a powerful spray while saving up to 30% water. The upgraded 18-stage filtration system eliminates 99.99% of chlorine and various impurities, protecting against skin and hair dryness and irritation. This versatile showerhead includes 4 practical spray settings: full body rainfall, powerful mixed mode, spray massage, and a water-saving pause function, meeting various needs with ease. The one-touch water stop design allows for quick shut-off, enhancing convenience and safety, especially when bathing children or pets. Additionally, the pressure adjustment function ensures a consistent and personalized shower experience, regardless of local water pressure. Enjoy the perfect blend of comfort, efficiency, and luxury with this handheld filtered shower head. Number 4. The portable folding scaffold is a versatile tool designed for various home improvement and maintenance tasks. With folded dimensions of 39.37 by 9.84 by 5.9 inches, 100 by 25 by 15 centimeters, it is compact and portable, easily fitting in a car or small storage space. The scaffold's adjustable height ranges from 39.37 to 62.99 inches, 100 to 160 centimeters, making it adaptable for use on staircases or uneven ground. Side pedals facilitate easy climbing. Built with solid materials, thickened brackets, and a stable triangular structure, this scaffold boasts a maximum load-bearing capacity of 800 pounds, ensuring it can support multiple people safely. The design includes perforated panels for slip resistance and increased foot covers for enhanced friction and safety on various surfaces, such as concrete, wood, asphalt, or bare ground. All components are galvanized to prevent rust, and the supporting feet are treated with anti-slip measures. Ideal for washing vehicles, cleaning windows, painting walls, decorating homes, performing general maintenance, stocking supermarkets and warehouses, and clearing gutters. This scaffold is a reliable and essential tool for a wide range of tasks. Number 5. The Hinges Gap Adjusting Wrench is a cutting-edge tool designed for precise door hinge adjustments. Made from high-quality steel, this heavy-duty wrench ensures long-lasting durability, capable of withstanding regular use without bending or breaking. Its primary function is to fine-tune door gaps effortlessly, making it an essential tool for achieving perfect door alignment. With this wrench, adjusting gaps is straightforward. Turn left to widen gaps or turn right to narrow them. This precise adjustment capability suits various door types and hinge setups, including cleanroom doors and security doors equipped with flag hinges. The wrench's design allows for easy operation, even in tight spaces or challenging installations. Whether you need to ensure proper alignment and functionality of specialized doors or simply adjust gaps for better performance, the Hinges Gap Adjusting Wrench provides a reliable and efficient solution. Enhance your door maintenance toolkit with this essential, user-friendly tool. Number 6. The Crescent 5-piece curved and long-nose locking plier set is a versatile and essential addition to any toolbox. This set features pliers with curved jaws and integral wire cutters, providing both gripping and cutting capabilities in one tool. The angled tooth pattern ensures a better grip on various materials, making these pliers perfect for a wide range of applications. Each plier includes a knurled adjusting screw that turns easily by hand for quick adjustments. For additional tightening, you can use a hex key in the receiver at the bottom of the screw. Once the initial grip is set, further tightening with a hex key ensures a secure hold, providing extra precision and control. Built for durability and ease of use, this plier set is ideal for both professional and DIY projects. Whether you're working on automotive repairs, home improvement tasks, or intricate electrical work, the Crescent 5-piece curved and long-nose locking plier set offers reliability and versatility. Number 7. The Klein Tools Emote Box Tool Tote is an essential part of the Emote Box mobile workstation, designed for maximum efficiency and organization. Featuring 33 pockets, this tool tote provides ample storage for a wide range of tools and accessories. It includes a tape loop and a zipper side pocket, perfect for storing small items and loose parts securely. Built with advanced technology, the Emote Box Tool Tote seamlessly connects to Klein's Emote Box mobile workstation and other Emote Box components, allowing you to create a custom mobile workstation tailored to your needs. Whether you're on the move or working on-site, this tool tote ensures that all your tools are organized, easily accessible, and ready for any job. Durable and versatile, the Klein Tools Emote Box Tool Tote is a reliable choice for professionals seeking a comprehensive tool storage solution. Number 8. The Calculated Industries Multimark Drywall Cutout Locator tool revolutionizes drywall installation by providing perfect cutouts without the need for measuring. Utilizing powerful rare earth magnets, this tool accurately locates and marks the position of electrical boxes through drywall, eliminating the time-consuming and error-prone process of manual measurements. Designed to find and cut openings for various sizes and shapes of electrical boxes, rectangular, round, and octagonal, the Multimark tool works twice as fast as traditional marking devices. It ensures precise alignment by simply pointing the arrows on the target and locator in the same direction. The powerful magnets ensure error-free cutouts, minimizing the risk of miscuts and the need for costly repairs or patches. By reducing measurement errors and preventing drywall waste, the Multimark tool not only saves time but also contributes to environmental sustainability. It's an essential tool for any professional aiming to achieve efficient, accurate, and high-quality drywall installations. Number 9. The Engineer Pad 12 Handy Crimping Tool is a precision-engineered crimper designed to deliver excellent crimping results. This tool features an ultra-precise crimping mechanism that ensures perfect finishes on open-barrel contacts. It includes an interchangeable die set that allows for easy replacement and perfect fitting, enhancing versatility and convenience. The PAD-12 is equipped with ergonomically designed handles for comfortable use, including a strap hole for easy storage. Additionally, it comes with built-in wire stripper and cutter functions, streamlining the crimping process. The tool excels in precise crimping and effective curling of both the conductor and insulation barrels. Changing die sets is straightforward. Simply open the jaws, insert the new die set, close the jaws, and secure the screws. This design ensures that the crimper remains reliable and efficient for a wide range of crimping applications. Number 10. The Nemo Grabo Electric Vacuum Suction Cup Lifter is a highly portable tool designed to lift, move, and place various materials, including wood, pavers, drywall, marble, tile, and more. With a powerful suction capability of up to 375 pounds, 170 kilograms, it effectively handles heavy and unwieldy loads. This suction cup lifter adheres securely to almost any surface, allowing for faster and safer handling of materials while minimizing the risk of damage to expensive items. The operation is straightforward. Press the green button to activate the motor and create a vacuum seal on the surface, which happens in just 1 second. When you're finished, press the red button to break the seal and release the item. The Nemo Grabo is ideal for both professional and DIY applications, making heavy lifting tasks more efficient and less labor-intensive.